Okay, so this is just a quick video on the arithmetic order of operations. You're probably already familiar with this, but in case you need a recap, here it is. So we have the arithmetic order of operations, or as I say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We'll use that to remember the order. So, for example, what is x exactly? Should I just go left to right here, and in which case 2 plus 3 is 5 times 10 is 50? Or should I do this first? 3 times 10 is 30 plus 2 is 32. The answer is, of course, 32, because not all operators are created equal. So we have a totem pole, and basically at the very top, we have parentheses and exponents. Those are always going to go first. When you have multiple operators in a statement, parentheses and exponents are the first. They take priority. And then multiplication and division. And then finally, the bottom rung on the ladder, so to speak, is addition and subtraction. Those will always go last. So, getting back to that expression, 3 times 10 is higher in the hierarchy than the 2 plus 3 operation, so that'll go first. So we end up with 32. Okay, so if we wanted to force the addition operation to go first, we can wrap it in parentheses. If you just throw parentheses around some operands, then that is going to move that operation to the top of the totem pole, so to speak, and that one will go first. So then we would get our 50 if we added parentheses to that expression. Okay, so just a little bit more here. Okay, so we have an exponent. That is the obviously the priority here, so we'll get a 25 out of that. The 5 squared is going to go first. We have the 25 there. And then the multiplication is the next in line, and so we're going to get a 12 out of that. And at this point, now we have multiplication and, or not multiplication, addition and subtraction, and they'll just go left to right at this point, or it doesn't matter really. So we get 2 plus 25 is 27, minus 12 is 15. Okay, so same expression, I think, but we're wrapping, we have some parentheses added here. So this is going to go first. We're going to get a 7 out of that. 7 squared is 49. And we'll get a 49 there. And then the multiplication is going to go, we'll get a 12 out of that. And finally, we're left with 49 minus 12, which is 37. So this is not a huge issue for us in programming, but it is something that you have to always kind of keep in the back of your mind. So there you go.